Do you know that there are 14 provinces in Fiji? And do you know what province you come from in Fiji? For example, if your name is Ramesh and you come from Vunivau place in Vanuatu, at the bottom of Vanuatu. Vunivau is at the southern end of Vanuatu. So what province would that be? How would you introduce yourself if you're Ramesh and you're going to state your name and the province that you come from in Fiji?
Hola, Nenango Ramesh. Oyao mai mua.
Naka. Now, what if you were Shabana and you come from Kalambu in that's around Suva in Vitilevu, Kalambu, between Nosori and Suva. So you come from Kalambu. Which province would that be? So your name is Shabana and you are from Kalambu.
Bola Nenango Shabana. Yao mai ne tasiri.
Try practicing that. Please like and subscribe. Morning.